Tired of cleaning the house all the way down? iLife ShineBot can take your turn to do the rest of the work. Add clean water and it's ready to go. ShineBot W400 Tidal Power Cleaning System works in 4 steps: moisten, scrub, suction, and scrape to thoroughly clean household stains. No matter soda, ketchup, or coffee stains, it tackles thick household stains and builds you a spotless home. And it keeps clear of the areas that you don't want it to clean, leaving a safe space for you. Turn on the edge cleaning mode. Nothing can hide from the edges and corners. Its strong suction ensures to refresh your house when it passes by.
Make you say, I want to rest for a short while, or make your muscles ache until you feel sick and want to lay down. Mopping has tired people out for generations, until now. The EveryBot RS700 is changing the world. With the touch of a button, EveryBot will automatically mop your floors. With its built-in, multi-directional sensors, set it down, turn it on, and EveryBot will navigate itself. Worried about dust? No problem. Stains? No big deal. EveryBot's dual-spin mopping technology will banish every last speck of floor grime. EveryBot has 4 major design cornerstones. First, the powerful dual-spin mop mimics the motion of cleaning by hand. Next, EveryBot is built to press 100% of the amount of pressure as mopping by hand. The auto water supply system means every inch of floor enjoys continuous wet cleaning. Lastly, diving yarn and microfiber patented mops keep every surface 100% clean, from stains to dust, which make your floors sparkle beautifully. Select your preferred cleaning mode to fit your floor conditions, and EveryBot will do the rest. The compact 11cm height means cleaning under beds and sofas is easy. Built-in multi-directional sensors means your EveryBot will have no problem avoiding obstacles like furniture, staircases, floor vents, and drains. And the luminescence sensor moves EveryBot into a well-lit area, so you'll never trip on your EveryBot in the dark. EveryBot has 20. Enjoy unparalleled convenience with your very own EveryBot and increase your quality of life today.